Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Strike Bitcoin app review to see if it's worth it. So to get started, the Strike app is a Bitcoin focused payment platform built on the Lightning Network, designed to simplify buying, selling, and sending Bitcoin globally. It supports features like dollar cost average, which is DCA, instant withdrawal, and global remittance with a minimal fee. Users can fund their account via bank transfer or wire deposit and convert fiat to Bitcoin seamlessly. Strike offer tools like paycheck to Bitcoin conversion, gift card purchases, and even Bitcoin-backed loan in selected state, which is in other part of the state. And here's a quick strength about this platform. The strength of Strike includes its user-friendly interface and a minimal fee, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. The app allows for instant Bitcoin purchases and withdraw with a user report quick transaction time. Its integration with the Lightning Network enables fast and low-cost global payment, together with its features like automatic Bitcoin purchases and a paycheck conversion cater to those looking to invest regularly. However, there are notable weaknesses. Some users have reported initial low transaction limit, which may require time to increase. The app availability is limited in certain regions, and some features may not be accessible worldwide. Additionally, while the app is secure, it operates on a custodial bias, meaning users can not or do not hold their private keys, which may be a concern for those prioritizing self-custody.